Hello everyone, I'm David from Liu-Xinyu Carton Machinery Limited. Today I'm going to show you a video how to measurement the anvil cover size exactly. Some customers always send me the size, but they cannot measure it properly, so we always get confused. So today this video is help you to figure out how to measurement the anvil cover size. First of all, we need one piece of anvil cover and one mirror type. Okay, I will show you now. First of all, we must make the anvil cover flat. See, flat. Okay, this is Metro from Taiwan. We use this brand from all our machine. This is good brand. We take this, we take here. You can see here the size is 890 millimeters. This is the total size of the anvil cover. So next time if you want to measure it, so follow this. We only need to know the size of the anvil cover from this side to this side. Must make it flat so we can get the size exactly. Maybe sometimes the anvil cover used maybe is damaged. The length of the anvil cover it will be a little bit different, but it will be not very big difference. So this is the way to measurement the anvil cover size. And thank you.